Shocking Taylor Swift facts you've never heard. Today, we are uncovering some cool facts about Taylor Swift on your demand.
Welcome to Factszone Official. This is video number 3 on our channel.
Did you know Taylor Swift grew up on a Christmas tree farm in Pennsylvania?
Yep. She mentioned how living there helped her develop a strong work ethic. Imagine your childhood memories being all about holiday cheer and hard work. By the age of 11, Taylor was already chasing her dream. She went to Nashville with demo CDs, hoping someone would give her a chance.
And it paid off. At 14, she became the youngest person ever signed by Sony ATV Music Publishing. Taylor doesn't just sing. She writes her own songs. Each one tells a story from her life.
Over 243 songs written and counting. Critics even call her a storytelling genius.
Here's a big one. Taylor was only 20 when her album Fearless won the Grammy for Album of the Year, the youngest to do so. Taylor has always considered 13 her lucky number. She was born on December 13th, and she often hides the number in music videos and on stage.
Some of her biggest achievements have been linked to 13. For example, her first album went gold in 13 weeks.
Which fact did you love the most? Comment below.
And be sure to like and subscribe for more fascinating content.